Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I understand that the quarantine period has been extended for another 2 weeks. That is quite a long time. So since the beginning of the ECQ, which was on the 15th of March, I think, is going to be 2 months that you have time to spare with your family. So as always, stay home and stay safe. Today I'm going to share with you something that you can add to your existing menu in your milk tea or coffee shop, and I'm sure it will be a very much welcome treat. I'm going to make double chocolate chip frappe. For this I'm going to start from making our whipped cream, and to do that first we need 350 ml of very cold water. Now this is just regular room temperature water, and I need this to be very cold. So the technique that we use to make the water cold is to put some ice in a shaker. Just put ice in the shaker, and then I'm going to put my water here, just to make sure what I'm going to use is cold. And then give it a good shake. Just to make sure the water gets cold. And then let's put the water back into our measuring cup. I need it to be 350. There you go, 350 ml of cold water. And then I have here 120 grams of whipping cream powder. You can use any brand of whipping cream powder. Just get the scissors. So 120 grams of whipping cream powder. This is pre-measured. In our shop we measure this in advance so that when we need to make our whipping cream, then we just have to combine it with the cold water. There you go. And then give it a little bit of a stir. You don't need to fully dissolve the powder here because we are going to put it into our whipping cream dispenser. And I usually add about a teaspoon of vanilla flavor, just so that the whipping cream would be more delicious and it smells really good. Okay, then I'm going to put it into our whipping cream dispenser. There might be still some lumpy powder there. Just make sure you put them all into the dispenser. Okay, and then put the lid on. Make sure it's nice and tight. Then we're going to use one of those chargers, which fits into this barrel here, and then let's put it there. Once you hear the hissing sound, that means the gas has already entered the chamber. So give it a little bit of a shake. Every time you use it, you have to shake it anyway. And at this point, you can either take off this, because the gas has already entered the canister, so you can take off. You can take it off or you can leave it there. We're going to make our drink. We're going to make 16 ounces cup. Let's get our blender. I'm going to need chocolate chips. I'll start with chocolate chips. This is about 1 scoop of chocolate chips. And then 2 ounces of our milk syrup. If this is separate between condensed and evaporated, that will be 40 ml of condensed milk and 20 ml of evaporated milk. So that's 2 ounces. Fresh milk, another 2 ounces. Chocolate sauce, I'm using the Vinci chocolate sauce here. You can use any chocolate sauce that you have available. And I'm going to put 1 ounce of chocolate sauce. So this is 30 ml pump. That is complete, totally 1 ounce. There you go. 1 ounce of chocolate sauce. And finally, half a tablespoon of our Frappe Base. Now let's put our ice in the blender along with a little bit more, and let's pop it in the blender. Now in case it doesn't blend properly, I'm going to have my tamper or mixing rod ready for when it blends, because you'd like it to be blended really smoothly. There you go, perfect. Now if you don't have whipping cream, because whipped cream also entails additional charge, you can simply decorate the top of your drink to make it look nice for when you serve it to your customer. But because today we made a whipping cream, I'm going to just flatten this and put the whipped cream on top. And then, because this is double chocolate, we should add more chocolate sauce on top. And if you have extra chocolate chips, put a bit of chocolate chips there. Perfect. Give this a try at your milk tea and coffee shop. I'm sure it will be a bestseller. It's not too sweet and it's not too milky either. It's just perfect. And you can see that this is very well combined because we use our Frappe Base as well. And it just looks so delicious and tastes really delicious too. I'll see you again in my next video. I hope that you click that subscribe button below for more of these videos. In the meantime, stay safe, stay home, and keep watching this channel. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.